Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you may already know, the crypto airdrop field is filled with potential. It serves as a direct pathway to enhance your earnings. However, it is crucial to take swift and decisive action to achieve better results. So, let's not waste any more time and jump right in. Today, we will be exploring the exciting ETHFI airdrop. If you haven't heard, ETHFI is running a second-round airdrop to reward its community with free ETHFI tokens. In this video, we will delve into the concept of ETHFI, how their airdrop works, and the process of acquiring these complementary tokens. This presents an excellent opportunity to join the ETHFI community and potentially benefit from their innovative DeFi platform. Make sure you don't miss this chance. Stay tuned to learn all the details. But before we begin, remember to subscribe and enable notifications so you never miss any future airdrops. After clicking on the ETHFI link provided in the description, you can start by connecting your wallet. Remember that meeting certain requirements is crucial to receive a higher allocation of ETHFI airdrop. Ensure you have at least one liquid staked token, or LRTS, liquid restaked tokens. In my case, I hold ETHFI tokens. Once your wallet is connected to the website, the rest depends on the ETHFI platform's algorithm. In my situation, I am fully eligible. Now all I need to do is wait for the funds to appear in my wallet. As you can see, I effortlessly received my share. Another important point I forgot to mention is the need to have sufficient ETH to cover the transaction fees. Now, from a technical perspective, based on our current ether.fi price prediction, the price of ETHFI is projected to rise by 227.09% and reach $4.55 by September 7, 2024. According to our technical indicators, the current sentiment is bearish, and the fear and greed index shows 20, extreme fear. Etherfi recorded 1230, 40%, green days with 16.06% price volatility over the last 30 days. Based on the Etherfi forecast, it is not a good time to buy Etherfi. That concludes today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Happy claiming, everyone.